Hello everyone! So, may nagpadala sa atin na brand new product, fresh fingerboard brand, dito sa Pilipinas. Specifically, Ormoc City, Leyte. Let's check it out. Wow, ang clean. Ganda ng packaging, man. So, we got a 34mm Triumph fingerboards. Enjoy muna natin itong unboxing. Packaging-wise, napaka-unique. 3D printed, waffle. Parang outsole ng Vans, no? Ayun, pwede slide. Wow. Nice. Wow, ang ganda pa ng shape niya, man. 34mm. Ang ganda ng feels. Okay. Tayo ditong parang authentication card. Nice. And meron tayong deck sticker here. Wala siyang kasamang foam tape. Meron tayong initials. Insert ko na lang yung picture. So, this is sent by Triumph Fingerboard, Mr. Frederick.